Welcome! Today, we're diving into the secrets of making $1,800 per day through affiliate marketing. With the right strategies and enough hustle, it's totally achievable. Stay tuned to learn how you can achieve this incredible milestone. First, pick a high-paying niche. This is crucial because the niche you choose will determine your earning potential and the kind of audience you attract. Would you rather get a $5 commission or a $500 commission? Exactly. Higher commissions mean you can earn more with fewer sales, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Focus on niches like finance, software, luxury goods, or online education. These areas not only offer high commissions, but also have a growing demand, ensuring a steady stream of potential customers. Look for products with recurring commissions, passive income goldmines. Recurring commissions mean you get paid repeatedly for a single sale, creating a reliable income stream. Do your research and find what excites you. The more passionate you are about your niche, the more motivated you'll be to put in the work needed to succeed. Genuine passion shines through and resonates with your audience. When you are genuinely excited about what you are promoting, it becomes contagious, and your audience will be more likely to trust and follow you. Next, it's crucial to find the perfect affiliate programs that align with your niche and audience. Look for programs offering competitive commission rates, ideally between 20% to 50%, to ensure you are fairly compensated for your efforts. Ensure the products you promote are top-notch and of high quality to maintain your credibility and trust with your audience. Do your due diligence by reading product reviews, testing the products yourself if possible, and making sure they align with your personal values and the values of your brand. Choose programs that have strong reputations and offer valuable resources and support to help you succeed. Be selective in your partnerships, choosing only those that will benefit both you and your audience, ensuring a mutually beneficial relationship. Now build your online empire. Your website or blog is your virtual storefront. Optimize it for search engines and start building your email list. Offer a lead magnet to nurture leads and turn them into loyal customers. A beautiful website is useless if no one sees it. Start driving targeted traffic to your platform. Create high-quality content that provides real value. Leverage paid advertising platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Consistently create valuable content and engage with your audience. Driving traffic is only half the battle. Optimize your website to convert visitors into paying customers. Use clear calls to action, compelling headlines, and persuasive copy. Experiment with different landing pages and use A/B testing. Congratulations! Now it's time to scale up. Automate as much as possible with email marketing software. Use social media scheduling tools to plan and publish content. Reinvest profits back into your business. Hire virtual assistants to help with tasks. Continuously find ways to work smarter, not harder. Knowledge is power in affiliate marketing. Constantly monitor and analyze your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics to track traffic and conversion rates. Optimize your campaigns and refine your strategies based on data. So there you have it, a crash course on making $1,800 per day with affiliate marketing. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality for many who have taken the plunge and committed to this journey. It requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. You'll need to invest time in understanding your audience, choosing the right products, and creating compelling content. If you're serious about financial freedom, affiliate marketing could be your path. Imagine waking up to see your earnings grow while you sleep, giving you the freedom to live life on your own terms. Subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it helpful. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your journey to success. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips and strategies.